Alright guys, so as you can see right now, my Ubuntu is stuck on this login screen and I'm not getting the desktop at all. It was completely fine before, like everything was working, and then suddenly today I booted up and boom, this black screen with just the login shows up. So if this is happening to you, don't worry, this is actually a pretty common issue, and it usually happens when something goes wrong with updates or your system didn't load the desktop environment properly, sometimes even because of disk related issues. So first thing you want to do here is just log in. Go ahead and type your username and your password. Make sure you type it correctly, because if you mess it up, it's just gonna say login incorrect and you won't be able to continue. So yeah, just make sure that part is right. Now once you're inside, let me tell you one mistake a lot of people make. People usually jump straight into typing sudo apt-get upgrade, and that's actually wrong in this situation because it can throw errors if your package list is not updated. So don't do that first. What you want to do instead is type this command, sudo apt-get update. This basically refreshes your system and tells Ubuntu where to download everything from. Just hit enter and let it do its thing. It's gonna take a little bit of time depending on your internet speed. Once that's done, now you can go ahead and type sudo apt-get upgrade. This will start upgrading all the packages on your system. Again, just let it run. Don't interrupt it. It might take a few minutes. And now for the final step, this is the one that actually brings your desktop back. Type sudo apt-get install ubuntu deadfull. This will reinstall the full desktop environment that's missing or broken right now. Let it download everything and complete the installation. After it finishes, just reboot your system, and once it boots back up, you should no longer see that black login screen. Instead, your normal Ubuntu desktop will load like before. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you fix this issue. If this helped you out, you already know what to do, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.